Friends.
No, he don't.
I don't understand.
He doesn't like it out here.
They all look so lost.
Well, remember, that's the scaredy paw. That's little Voldemort, and he's a little scaredy paw.
Hi.
Mikey's exploratory. He loves to look. So does Tom.
Snowy's getting around to it. Like, what is this?
This is where you guys go potty.
Yeah.
Learn, please.
Understand this.
My carpets can't take this.
That's why I got the pet mate Bissell. I went and bought myself a pet stain removing shampooer so I could handle dog.
Oh, one went outside. Oh, there's two.
Hey, good job, Frisky.
Oh, he has a leaf.
Mama, it's outside. You don't have to clean it. Oh,
Oh,
gross.
let her do it.
That's so gross.
It's on the walkway. I don't want to step in it.
Yeah, you got a point there. Oh, there's another one going. Good job, Freya.
Pepe, clean up. I'll your dog's butt.
Oh, getting it.
Tom, did you find a leaf?
Oh, yeah.
Let's see, that would be
That's
Frisky. Frisky, Mikey, and Tom. Snowball, Anjo,
He's getting there.
Voldemort, Killer, and Freya. So many puppies.
Oh, my goodness.
I still can't believe it. This is her first litter, and we got 8 puppies out of her.
Oh, my goodness.
And she only got pregnant by accident. We thought their leashes were far enough apart. We were wrong.
Come on, puppies.
We
8
were wrong.
puppies later.
Hey, Snowy.
There we go, Tom.
He's like, I understand. Squirrel.
Voldemort, come here, buddy.
Frisky.
You'll be able to just run
We're
around.
about to lose one in the bushes. Come here, little man.
Well, hello there. How you doing, sweetheart? You're okay, Killer. Why don't you go beat up Mikey for a while? Hey, Voldemort. Hey, Tommy.
They're finding leaves. He found the leaves.
I'm sick of looking at a white dog.
Me too. I'm sick of cleaning up after that white dog.
Yeah.
Hi. What you doing?
Yeah, just to let you know, when it comes to shedding time, groom.
And vacuum.
And vacuum a lot. Otherwise, you're going to have white hairs all over you and everything.
Oh, yeah. We're going to try and keep his shed as low as possible.
Hey, Mikey.
Keep him high maintenance shedding.
Hey, Freya. Looks like she's starting to get some tan on her.
They all finally understand.
Yeah. Explore. This is the first time they've actually been willing to explore. Last time I couldn't get them to move. They just sat in the middle of the walkway.
Snowy.
Hi, sweetie. How you doing, Killer?
Hey, baby.
Oh, I get you. Oh, no. And then I get you.
White paws is Voldemort.
He's got some-
White toes is Tom.
He has got some blue eyes.
I told you. They are so brilliantly blue.
Shut
Oh,
it,
you're biting
stupid.
the butt. You're biting butts. You're a butt biter.
You're okay, Freya. Hey, Voldemort.
Snowy's exploring leaves.
Oh, Freya, you're such a little pipsqueak. Oh, I'm sorry, Voldemort. Did I pick someone other than you up?
Hey, little man. Hey, mommy.
Snowy.
Hey, Friskies.
Snowy's enjoying.
Ugh, so many
What are you doing
mosquitoes.
behind me? Which one are you?
Pooping. I was trying to get a little privacy here. Guys, really, we have to crowd around the poop. Seriously, it's not going to smell good.
Oh, he's definitely.
Ew.
I I'm not picking that one up.
Snowy.
Yeah.
Is the world too big?
Hey, Frisky. Hey, Frisky Whisker Biscuit. Where are you going?
Mama, you gotta clean up.
Clean up aisle of the poop.
Aisle of the poop. Oh,
Oh.
hello.
Come here, Mama. Hey. Right there.
Marapay,
Hey.
clean up.
Oh, they're trying to go up the steps.
They want to go back in.
They're ready to go in, it looks like.
Oh,
Hey, little man.